Or dark.
Good job, Travis.
Anticipate where the puck's going. Where's the puck going?
Maybe 6, right?
Yeah. Nice dangle. Catch that rebound.
That's all.
Get some ice, get some ice, get some ice. Chase him down, chase him down. Go, go, go. Get some ice. Snap it hard. There you go, good shot.
Pretty soon it's going to be the Stickle brothers out there on the ice. Like, wait a second.
There's going to be 2 of them.
It's going to be forfeit, and teams are going to be like, no, we can't play them, sorry.
Two hands on the stick. Watch out, somebody's open in front of the net. Somebody's open in front of the net. There you go.